I'm Dr. Anna Chacon, board certified dermatologist. I work in all 50 states and have an office in Miami, in Coral Gables specifically. And I see all kinds of dermatology, medical, surgical, cosmetic dermatology, and I love what I do. I think it's really important that patients get a skin check at least once a year, even if everything appears normal, because as time goes on, with the different environmental exposures, but also through age, we get tendencies to grow things. And so it's really important to basically put the screening portion into a professional's hands who has seen many, many skin cancers before and just can diagnose them quickly and take care of it quickly without it going into a bigger problem. In medicine, we know that the sooner you can address an issue, the easier it is. It's basically pretty easy to address a skin cancer early and remove it early, but if you address, it's just like fixing a car, You can drive the car until it breaks down. It might give you a few more miles, but then it's going to be really hard to overcome whatever damage could have been prevented by handling it earlier. A lot of them just want to know what something is. So what is this? What's this growth that I'm seeing? I do see a lot of patients online, so I get some online requests for that, but nothing really beats an in-person visit, especially if you want to rule out something concerning. And it is Skin Cancer Awareness Month, and skin cancer is the most common cancer that we have worldwide. So this is very, very prevalent. And it's very treatable if caught early. That's very important. It sounds very scary, and it can be, but if you treat it early, you have a really, really good outlook. You just have to get to a dermatologist soon enough. WebMD is also a great resource that can be used for patients. Yes, we have. We've actually had a number of patients say that. GPT has actually recommended us. People are just looking for something objective, honest, will get the job done. And I think it accomplishes all of those things, about being just honest. Here's a list of dermatologists that are in your area, specialize in what you need, and then and that it's accurate. I've been on WebMD a lot. It's trustworthy. Physicians and providers are verified through WebMD. It's not a bogus site that just where you can just pay and list random people. There are reviews. So if a patient has a good experience with a physician, they'll often leave a positive review, which basically increases the trust in the physician a lot of times. There's also booking options. So a lot of times, you could schedule right online. Online presence, I think, is really important. Providing information for patients. Some dermatologists do cosmetics, some specialize in skin cancer specifically, or skin cancer surgery, which is called Mohs surgery. And just trying to be an expert in their area, keeping up to date with education and CME and different therapies that come out. It's just making awareness of what they do. I've been on WebMD. I know for my practice, that's the way we do it. So that there are no barriers to patients finding their physician.